You know. Never had no goddamn. Who put it in me?
I don't know.
Somebody touched
I have them. I'm sorry.
Oh, somebody touched me?
Yeah. I'm gonna
y'all some nasty motherfuckers.
A Taco Bell, a family dispute, a woman who became the story. She came for her cousin. He left. She stayed. And the camera was still rolling. Officers issued a trespass warning. The cousin walked off the property. They were about to leave. Then they noticed something. And a 2-minute call became something else entirely.
On April 15th, 2024, police responded to a Taco Bell about a male wearing a white t-shirt that was causing a disturbance.
We'll do with to my employees.
Okay, so you want him trespassing the property?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello.
It's okay. Hey.
How are you? What's going on, man? What's going on, bro?
Eat. He hasn't eaten. I told him just go ahead and eat. If you can make it
Alright,
up.
do you know him? Who is he to you?
That's my cousin.
Alright, your cousin?
Yeah. Literally like blood related.
Blood? Okay. What's his first name?
Tyron.
Tyron?
Tyrus.
Ty, what's your last name?
He's Tyrus. My son is Tyrus.
Okay, what's his last name?
What's your last name? Come now, eat. You better eat because if you go to jail right now, if they decide to take you to jail, you're gonna be hungry.
What's your date of birth?
Come now.
When were you born?
Come now.
When were you born? You know his date of birth?
He's highly my God. What date of birth you gonna get him?
Look, he told me it's pumpkin season, baby.
Pumpkin season. Ain't no damn pumpkin season. Don't say that. Oh my. Stop it.
Tyrus.
Tyrus. Stop it.
Spelled like that?
Look at me.
T-Y-R-U-S.
T-Y-R-U-S.
I'm gonna go put him in arm.
Thomas, please don't no handcuffs until you eat something.
Okay, well, listen, they want him trespassed from this property.
Cause you want to go to jail or you want to walk? I didn't bought you to jail.
What's your date of birth, Tyrus? Huh?
I'm thinking of that. He's such an asshole. I think I remember you.
From?
Your face, division. I had a situation, maybe. Perhaps.
Tyrus, what's your date of birth? What's your date of birth?
You bad.
Tyrus, don't be. Come
on.
Nope.
What?
Sit back. Don't.
What's your date of birth?
What's your date of birth?
Right back down.
What's your date of birth?
Let's get through this. They ain't
What's
even
your date of birth?
They just want to make sure
on,
you're
man.
straight. Cuz. All right. Don't worry about it.
All right, Tyrus, just to know, if you come back to this property, you're subject to arrest. Tavares. He's walking off.
No, he's going to check on the cover.
On body camera.
Come now.
Huh?
He's not on our mess.
Tyrus, tired, and took it. Everybody with a tie, LC. Bring your stuff.
Tyrus, just to let you know, if you come back to this property, you're going to be subject to arrest under trespass warning.
Yeah. It's never personal.
No.
Like, because he's very animated. And if you could, I don't know, from where I can see him. If you see a thing, does a movement.
Mm-hmm. Okay, well, he already left the property, so we're good. That's why. Yeah.
Oh, bad, but still, just God forbid, if anything happened,
right.
It should be still, recorded that he left the property. But
yes, he left the property.
He also
There's nothing for us to do.
planning the ground. Look at him. Go so you can go. You stuck too. Oh,
Jump. Just make sure. Jump down. Just make sure you hit touch the ground with your teeth. Yeah.
Isn't that crazy? Mind you.
Okay.
My goal. Hold on. You leaving?
Yeah, we're good. I mean, he's gone. That's why I'm here. So go attend to your kids and go home.
Hold on.
Go attend to your kids.
I'm sorry, I wasn't trying to say.
Yeah. Go attend to your kids. We're good. All right. Yeah.
He ran?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Have a good one.
Hey guys, are you hungry? No? Are you hungry, little man? Are you hungry?
Don't touch my son.
Hi there, I'm Lori.
Don't touch my son.
Could you bring me mom, okay?
Don't touch my children.
We'll take care of your mom, okay?
He is on my will. And I'm sorry, ma'am.
Hi, I'm Lori. How are you?
You know what? I'm medium. I'm not even. Yes, please report that.
Yep, I'm gonna.
My children are not feeling the best.
Okay.
Simply because.
Let's talk about you. What's in your bra there?
What you mean?
That paper right there. Can we pat her down?
You can try to just
Give up.
I ain't never had no goddamn. Who put it in me?
I don't know.
Somebody
I have them. I'm sorry. I have some.
Oh, somebody touched me?
Yeah. I'm gonna pat you
Y'all
down,
some
okay?
nasty motherfuckers. Look me
Hey,
up.
I'm worried about how you're acting right now around your kids. I want to make sure they're safe and you're safe. You're walking in front of one of my moving cars here. It means you're not safe.
I'm walking in front of a moving car right now.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm gonna take whatever's in here, okay?
Find it. Whatever they put it in there. It's theirs. I ain't never had no nothing.
She's gonna what?
She's gonna try to get off.
That's fine.
I'm not finna try to get out. What are you talking about? I ain't never had nothing.
I'm gonna dress you, okay? All right. So listen to me.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's try and resolve this, okay? Okay, I'm gonna talk to the officers. Put your feet in here. I'm gonna talk to them real quick, and then I'm gonna come back
I
and talk to you.
can't not with my feet in. I want to wait till my brother get here to put my foot in, only for safety purposes.
Okay, I'm recording you, and you don't have that option. Come on, we're busy. Put your feet in.
Where's my brother? Where's my brother? Please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me.
No, I'm not gonna
Please
hurt you.
don't
But
hurt me.
listen, we're not gonna do this.
Where's my
Look at me.
brother?
We're not
Please.
gonna do this.
Where's my
We're not
brother?
gonna do this.
Can somebody call my brother?
Put your feet in the car now.
Please.
Put your feet in the car now, or I'm gonna hobble you. Put your feet in the car.
Put your feet in
Put
the
your
car.
feet in the car.
Please
Come on.
call my brother.
We're not
And
doing
I
all
want to
this.
know, is he on the way?
Hey, just throw that out.
Ow, 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 ow! I'm in handcuffs already.
Let's cooperate. Let's
Fine,
cooperate.
I'm trying to. Where's my brother?
Put your feet in the car.
Oh my God!
There you go.
Oh my God!
There you go.
Really?
2 charges came out of this encounter. Let us take them one at a time. Disorderly intoxication. Florida Statute 856.011. It is unlawful to be intoxicated in public in a manner that endangers another person or property. 2nd-degree misdemeanor, up to 60 days. That number is not about how drunk you are. It is about who is near you when you are drunk. She was with her children. The second charge is where the footage does the legal work for the prosecution. Florida Statute 843.02. Resisting an officer without violence. Whoever resists, obstructs, or opposes any officer in the lawful execution of a legal duty without offering physical violence commits a 1st-degree misdemeanor, up to 1 year. The charge does not require a physical fight. Standing in front of a police vehicle and refusing to move qualifies. The officer told her she was not safe. He told her she was walking in front of a moving police car. She confirmed it, out loud, on camera. To the officer writing the report, that statement is now part of the case file. She was not required to make it. She made it anyway.
Mama drinking today a little? She smells like alcohol. I'm sorry you had to see all this. We're just going to make sure your mom's okay, all right?
He called me because I was closer, and he just told me that she was acting irate, or you guys called or something, and with the kids, and you guys needed someone to come pick up.
Diagnosis.
I don't know.
Okay.
The best bet is probably to ask my brother.
Yeah, we just want to make sure she's okay. And she tried to jump in front of the police car. And
That's what I did.
yeah, so we just want to make sure she's okay.
Right.
But it looks like she's probably going to go to jail tonight. I'll talk to her, and as long as she's okay releasing the kids to you guys, I mean, that's what we would like. And then DCF will follow up. Are you guys comfortable with that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ain't nothing wrong on it. All of a sudden, I'm
Ma'am?
shut the fuck up. I'm not talking to my brother. I don't want to talk to you. Talk to my brother. Let me talk to my
I'm going to
brother.
talk to your brother,
I
but
don't want to talk to you.
would you like your kids to go with your brother, or would you like us to call DCF?
Call who you want.
No, I'm saying, would you like your kids to go?
Yeah, G.
Would you like your kids to go with
May I
your
talk to
brother
my brother?
or DCF?
You,
Yes.
my brother.
Okay. If you don't answer me, we will have to release
my
your
brother.
kids. Okay.
I said what I said.
Whew. Like this often? Okay.
Their mother is drunk, yeah. And I was trying to leave after dealing with some property, whatever. And she stood in front of my car. I told her many times to get out of the car because I gotta go. And I keep telling her to go to children. She's acting all wild. LT? LT, that's the aunt,
Okay.
but not blood related though. Is
Not
that
the
okay?
what?
Not blood related though.
Okay.
But are they good to leave with them? Or?
Hi, how are you?
Oh, okay. Your uncle? Hey, how you doing? You mind if I speak to you?
Yeah.
One moment. That's my lieutenant, by the way.
Okay.
So just so you understand, listen, I was not trying to arrest her. Just so you understand, that was not my intention here. She brought that on herself.
She got involved with someone.
Well, yeah, and initially she was helping out. I guess there was a Tyrus Gold. Yeah, she was saying, "Oh, that's my brother, uncle, whatever," and we us police responded to him causing disturbance in here. Right. We dealt with it, and she somewhat helped us. And all right, cool, we leave. So I come back here. I guess she called me back over there, and then I'm like, "All right, what's going on?" And like, "Oh, he's right there. He's hiding." And I'm like, "Where, man? Where do you see it?" I'm like, "Oh, are you recording?" Well, like, I don't need to record right now, I told her, because there's like nothing out there. Right. And I'm like, "Well, can you please record?" So then I'm like, "Okay, fine, I'll record." And I'm like, "Ma'am, I don't see anybody there." "Oh, well, he just ran off." I'm like, "Okay." So then I come back, I'm about to leave. She stands in front of my vehicle, preventing me from leaving. And I'm like, "Ma'am, can you please leave?" And she stayed, not like this far away. I'm talking about like like this. And I'm like, "Ma'am, please leave."
She's been drinking?
She's been drinking. So she's drunk. So that's the thing. She's drunk and with the kids, and then I'm trying to get her information. She doesn't want to give it to me. Right. Then the kids are being uncooperative. Of course, I get it. Right. The mother's resisting, and we're trying to put her inside the car, and she's like, somewhat, yeah. So, like I said, I was trying to avoid this. I don't want to, especially with her with having kids, but So, you want it unlocked? Yeah. So yeah, you can speak to my lieutenant. It's unlocked now. She's right here, but unfortunately, she's gonna have to take the ride because
Is it okay for you? Got to get them okay for me to take me and Butter with me.
I'm going to jail.
Yeah,
What am I going for?
disorderly. It's a misdemeanor.
Got court tomorrow.
Yeah, she got court tomorrow.
Well, perfect. Let's try and get that taken care of,
I
okay?
got the court in jail already.
Okay, well, they'll know that. You can tell the judge in the morning and they'll try and sync the cases for you, okay?
It was a custody case.
Okay. They'll try and sync them. Ma'am, this
Yeah,
was...
all right.
But what we'd like to do is place the kids with your brother, so they're safe.
You got to stop drinking so much, Sammy.
No,
Because Brittany called you, talked to you earlier, so. But I know she texted you, but we ain't gonna talk about that because I don't want to get you more upset. But yeah, just give them an okay for me to take me and Buddy.
I'm gonna do RMS here.
Okay.
Are you gonna be able to try to come to the court?
He's gonna have to bring your kids to school.
I can't go.
The fuck up,
Tammy. See, that's why you in a car now.
At this point, I already got a choice.
Okay, so what, you gonna make it worse? Y'all know how to. You don't know how to stop when you ahead? Come on now.
I'm out of hand because I'm going to jail.
But you gonna make it worse.
Stay with your aunt and uncle tonight?
Right. So you look at Butter. Butter out here scared. So just give them the okay so I can take them.
You think so?
What the fuck did she say I was just only for? You gotta understand.
Tammy, you was standing in front of a car.
Access to the house.
Why?
Why was they bothering me?
No, why were you standing in front of the car?
Why was they bothering me?
No, Tammy. First of all, this ain't had nothing to do with you. Whoever Tyrone, Tyrese, whoever the fuck he is, you should have let them handle that. You should have got your kids and went home. That's it.
I was trying to, and then you didn't know. They didn't tell you all the details when the other police started coming at me and making me look like the damn.
Okay, but then you could have just said, look, I ain't got nothing to do with this, and you keep going.
I'm trying. I'm not.
Not
perfect.
when you stand in front of the car, Tammy.
I'm not perfect. Damn.
I ain't saying you perfect, but you got to take accountability now.
Yes, that's why I'm in the fucking car right now.
Exactly. So ain't nothing you can do now. So let's just get the.
No way.
Yeah. No, don't say that. Ain't nobody holding against you. You just acting the fool.
Perfect. Y'all will be on the man.
Y'all okay?
Officers get a B+. They manage 3 situations in one call. They ask before acting. They warn before escalating. They explain the consequences before placing her in the vehicle. Every step is on camera. Under Graham versus Connor. 490, United States, 386. 1989, Officer conduct is evaluated on facts known at the moment of the decision, not in hindsight, what they knew at each step, and what they did with it. Both hold. The minus is for documentation during the vehicle blocking phase. A cleaner, real-time record strengthens the case file. The conduct itself is defensible. Tammy gets a D. The cousin situation was already resolved. Her only task was to collect her children and leave. She stayed, escalated, blocked a police vehicle, resisted arrest, then confirmed the obstruction on camera without being asked. Under Florida Statute 843.02, the law draws no distinction between an active physical struggle and standing still in front of a marked vehicle. Obstruction is obstruction. She established both elements herself. She had a court date the following morning for a separate case. She added 2 new charges the night before. Tyrus gets a C-. He caused the incident. He left. Someone else paid the price. 3 mistakes. 3 decision points. She stayed when the situation was over. She escalated when cooperation was the option. She spoke when silence was the only move that mattered. The right to remain silent does not only apply in interrogation rooms, it applies the moment officers are present and the situation is active. This footage is a case study in what happens when that right goes unused. If you want more body cam analysis, the moments where the camera catches what people forget they are on, subscribe. We post every week. What do you think her sentence should be? Drop it in the comments. See you in the next one.